Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from Group 3 will present about method to determine soil behaviour. My name is Alia Shafika binti Arifin. I will start with introduction of soil behaviour. Soil behaviour is a situation when a soil strain generated by change in stress, suction or physiochemical condition. Soil strength is important thing to analyze and predict when it comes to understanding the behaviour of soil. When designing and planning structure for house, highway or landfill, engineer must always take landslide and earthquake into consideration. Upon discovering how the soil behave, we must take any precaution and any complementary use it may have, because it is necessary to become skilled and knowledgeable in recognizing where and how problems may occur, as well as how to avoid them.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Khairul Natasha. I will continue with the application of soil behavior. For this project, we have choose 5 applications, that is water pressure, bearing capacity, slope stability, limit plasticity and compaction. Firstly, the strength of soil is affected by water pressure. When the soil is too wet, the strength of soil will decrease because friction between two particles will reduce and the water pressure are high. The cohesiveness of soil will decrease when water content rise. Next, the average contact stress between a foundation and the soil that will cause shear failure in the soil is known as the bearing capacity of soil. The allowable bearing stress is decided in reference to the utmost allowable settlement because large settlements may occur under loaded foundation on soil site without actual shear failure. After that, slope stability is a measurement of how strong a natural or man-made slope is to failure due to collapse or sliding. It refers to the state in which an inclined slope can endure its own weight and external pressure without experiencing displacement. Next, limit plasticity is the lowest most level at which a soil can change from the plastic state to a semi-solid state. When organic matter is added to soil, the plastic limit increases without affecting the liquid limit significantly. As a result, organically enriched soil have a low plasticity index. Lastly, soil compaction test is the test that can determine soil sustained mechanical stress. When stress is exists, void column will decrease and will cause densification. That's all. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Aini Harisa binti Adnan. My matrix number is AF200009. So this is our case study location. First one is effect of water pressure at Everfund in South Wales, where because of this effect of water pressure in this village just caused damage and many people dead. So next one is slope stability. So the research area is in Kuala Lumpur's hilly at dense schist formation. So the region has a non-homogeneous subsurface soil profile. So the slope stability analysis were used to evaluate the slope condition. So next one is compaction at Aslev, Denmark. So this compaction have an influence on soil vital functions and become as support tool under development. And the last one is bearing capacity. So the bearing capacity was used at pit in Klang Selangor. So this site area was subtropical pit that has distinct properties, and because its limit bearing capacity and provides a serve difficulty in the construction industry. That's all. Thank you.
Next, I am Asha Hanan binti Muhammad, number matrix AF200090, will continue the presentation. I will present the discussion of the project. So, in the application above, we can see that slope stability, moisture content, compaction and bearing capacity are some behaviors of soil in construction. Soil properties give huge impacts in buildings. However, there are techniques to modify the landscapes and activities to give better construction sites when soil qualities are not appropriate for development, such as drainage can be installed to move water away from the location. So here we can see that it is important to understand a site's soil qualities so that appropriate procedures may be included into the design and future failures can be prevented. So next I will give my turn to Katrina Ambrose. Thank you.
Katrina Ambrose, I'm going to discuss about the conclusions of this report. So for the soil behavior, we change its properties and mechanism when there is factors such as compaction, slope stability, moisture content, and bearing capacity. And all of the factors of the changes of the soil behavior can be determined by using the suitable application to investigate the behavior of the soil. So the application for the behavior of the soil or testing is very, very important in any civil engineering construction to avoid any failure in the construction in the future. Thank you.